Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing another food review. We're doing frozen food again, and this is kind of a treat here. This is the P.F. Chang's General Chang's chicken, and I've never had this. Full disclosure, I have had P.F. Chang's. We have a P.F. Chang's restaurant here in Louisville, and we've been there a few times, and it's really good. I'm pretty sure we've had the General Chang's chicken there. Not quite sure, and I'll be honest, I don't expect this to taste just like what you get in the store, but I do hope it's good enough for me to say, yeah, I'm gonna do this again. That's what I'm shooting for here. So guys, I'm not gonna show you every bit of the cook, just because I'm just following the directions, just like it says to do, like we always do. I'm not adding anything to the recipe, just gonna try it just the way they make it and see how we like it. I got some nutritional stuff up here if you wanna pause the video and see it. You can look at that or pull it up online or whatever, but yeah, let's get going. Let's get this cooked up and see what it tastes like. There's a little close-up of the bag. To be fair, I'm actually doing 2 packages because I don't think 1 will be enough for us, but I'm afraid 2 is going to be too much. Yeah, I'm going to have some leftovers for sure. Lunch tomorrow. Hey guys, we're going to get this going. We're going to cook this in here for about 4 minutes, and then uncover till thicken. That's all we're going to do. Looks and smells amazing. Let me check some temps just to make sure at that 165 mark. Yeah, we're over. Time to pull this off. Get a bite of this. Definitely. Alright, I already got mama some. Let's get me some in here. Well, I'll tell you, it's not as pretty as they serve it in the restaurant, but you know, we do what we can. Would you look at that? This smells delicious. I'm coming in straight for that chicken right off the bat. There's some good flavor there, guys. No, it's not restaurant quality, I promise you. But I'll definitely do this again. Ooh, some of those veggies. The broccoli. I wish I'd have done rice with this now. I just did a quick lunch. I really wish I'd made rice with this. Hey guys, that is delicious. General Tso's, in their case, General Chang's chicken. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna pig out on this, guys. There you have it. Definitely do this again. No, it's not restaurant quality. The chicken is very good and it tastes like chicken. It does taste like chicken. Being frozen, packaged, I'd expect nothing else out of P.F. Chang's. Good job, guys. I'll bring you some more of the P.F. Chang's. They got different flavors too. Guys, thank you so much. Having fun doing these little review videos. I hope you enjoyed them. My reviews look like you are at least watching them. So guys, thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. And guys, hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.